Hey everybody, so I just got an email from a potential customer inquiring about the dash pods on the 928, and it's probably a good thing to make just a short video to reiterate what I was doing, how I came to do those pods and those full dashes a year or 2 years ago or so. I was for about 11 years next door to a very good trim shop, upholstery shop, with some fellas in there. I got to go in there every day for 10 years and look at their work, watch their work, get to know them, get to know these guys, and observe their work and learn just from observations. And so when you're looking at really high quality work, you may not know it's really high quality work until you go to a car show, Cars and Coffee, etc. And you look at the average enthusiast, the average car owner, and they did their own upholstery. Although if you didn't have that bar to look up to of the good high quality work, you would probably think that Joe Q. Citizen and his work he did by himself looked very good. But it really looks like doo-doo. So, having that exposure, my own personal exposure to really high quality work and really bad work, I can recognize it. And I decided to, as I said, a year and a half, 2 years ago, leverage it for a couple customers. First of all, it was more of a test and experiment on my part, just to do it, for my own internal stuff. And then I shared it with the Porsche 928 community at large, not trying to or even approaching the position where I am an upholsterer. No, I'm not doing that. But it was more of an experiment, me running through the techniques, tactics, procedures that the upholstery shop does. And then I gave a pod to the upholstery shop and they made a pattern. They made a pattern. I think it was 1, 2, 3 or 4 pieces to the pattern, to make a good cover for the Porsche 928 dash pod. So it was more of an experiment on my part to see what we could do internally versus going to the very good reputable sources. I think it's Rob Budd and his company. He sold it. And I even talked to Rob about that a couple years ago, about what I was doing and experimenting with the upholstery shop next door. And I was just preaching the gospel to him. He was nodding his head. Yeah, that's exactly what we do. That's high quality stuff. And I'm like, well, good. I thought it was, and I'm glad that you, Mr. Budd, confirmed what I was setting out to do as the correct, accurate way to do what needed to be done, respective of those pods. So I was driving somewhere. I'm stopped now. So I had some success with some folks on the 928 forums and sites and things. Sold a couple of them. Never really went out and leveraged it to be, hey, send me your Porsche upholstery, your Porsche pods, etc. Because I'm just not going to do that. I mean, I'll do it. I know how to do it. We've got the patterns made, and they're still there in business. So to the gentleman that just sent me the email, I'm going to send you this link so you can have information to either choose me, and we'll do it the same way through the same upholstery shop, same way that the other folks have got their pods and stuff, and even Dash. So it's a good system. It works, and I would be honored to help you get your dashes and pods refurbished and put back into service in a very highly in a very, I don't know, my language is not working that good today, in a very skilled manner with quality craftsmen that have years and years and years of experience, and coupled with me being a Porsche 928 owner. So I have a care, I have a concern, I have a vested interest that everything I put my hands on, whether it be these interior pieces or more prevalently the intake manifolds. So, I'll be very honest with you folks. Some of my skills is they're very, my product is top notch. It's not the cheapest, but it's not in the basement price wise. Okay. Some of the not so good parts of what I do is I'm very slow. It takes a long time. You can ask some of my clients, the manifold folks. They have taken umbrage with how long it takes me to do this, but it's always perfect stuff. It's always excellent work, which to me, that is number one, excellent work. Number two is a good and fair price, not cheap. And if I can meet those two things, the being slow will be talked about as a joke. Okay? If you gouge people like some people do in this community, some businesses, I've heard it from multiple people that they gouge people, selling their things. And it's known. So do you want to be known as the guy that gouges you, that doesn't, I don't know. I think just providing a fair product at a fair price and high quality work, that's enough right there. So I did read the email, and I'll respond back tonight or tomorrow, respective of the pricing from the upholstery shop, and maybe I'll do another run of pods. So I think probably it's the time to put the word on the street out there again to you folks out there in the 928 community. If you want your pods done, send them in. Okay, I've got 4 cores here. So if y'all want to send me 4 pods, I'll get these started right now and get them in the queue to get refurbished, and the new coating on it, the real fine, really thin foam is glued on. I think it's about maybe a 1/16 of an inch. I think that's what it is, 1/16 of an inch. Maybe an eighth. I don't know. I can't remember. But I can find out. And by default, it's usually black. A very high quality vinyl with stitching, black stitching. It can be modified. We can go leather. We can go different colors, different stitching, different color stitching. Something to think about. And I'll put this out there, and I'll share it on the boards. And y'all have a good day. Enjoy the rain. We need a lot of it. Okay? Juice.